Hi there, kids! Today, we're going to explore different construction vehicles and learn about their special features. Are you ready for an exciting adventure? Let's go! First, let's learn about the bulldozer. This is a bulldozer. It has a large metal blade in front to push dirt and rocks. Look how strong it is. Bulldozers are great for clearing land. Next up, the excavator. Excavators have a long arm with a bucket at the end. They dig up dirt and rocks. Watch how it digs deep into the ground. Now let's check out the dump truck. Dump trucks carry and unload dirt, rocks, and sand. See how it tips back to unload everything. Look at the tall crane. Cranes lift heavy materials high into the air with their long arms. Cranes help build tall buildings and structures. What's this spinning vehicle? It's a cement mixer. Cement mixers mix concrete to make it ready for building. Watch how it pours the concrete to make a strong foundation. Here comes the road roller. Road rollers make the ground flat and smooth. It's rolling back and forth to make the road nice and smooth. Let's learn about the backhoe loader. Backhoe loaders have a small shovel at the front and a backhoe at the back. They can dig, lift, and move materials around the construction site. Check out the skid steer loader. Skid steer loaders are small but very powerful. They can fit into tight spaces. Look how it scoops and smooths the dirt in this small section. We had an amazing day learning about construction vehicles. They help build the world around us. Thanks for joining the adventure. See you next time. Did you enjoy watching this video? If so, make sure to click the button below to subscribe to Tickle Time TV.